Hi, my name is Iris Turner, and I'm one of the producers here at the Wickham Agency. And I will talk today about audits. Audits are one of the requirements that the insurance companies ask for or require when you get a policy. It can be a general liability policy or it can be a workers' comp policy. There are a few types of audits. One is called preliminary audit, and it usually is a month or two after your policy has been issued. They usually do it either by phone or they try to see if they can get an appointment with you physically or maybe virtually. They just want to make sure that what is stated on the application is still what it is, meaning if you started the policy estimating that you had one employee and that you were doing, for example, interior carpentry, but then 2 or 3 months from the time that it was issued, it changed. You hired more people and you added another type of work. So usually the preliminary audit will help you because it will kind of revise what it was stated at the beginning, and it will change, the premium and if you need to finance it during the year, until the end of the year or the policy expires. So preliminary audits are pretty easy. They're simple. They just want to help you so you don't get a big bill at the end of the policy. And as I said, it can be sometimes over the phone or sometimes on an appointment, physical appointment. They usually require to see what you have paid in the last quarter or 2 quarters. Even if you were not with that company as an insured, they just still want to know how was your sales or your employees payroll or subcontractor costs, so they can tell you what they think that your premium will be. The second types of audits are final audits, and they are usually done at the end of the policy. The end of the policy can be for a cancellation or it can be because it expired. So they want to do a final audit just to finalize and tell you how much either they need to return to you or that you have to pay to them. And the same thing, they will try to do, this time final audits usually are physical. They will try to either make an appointment with your accountant or with yourself, and they will ask you for what you have paid in the last 12 months or the policy period to your employees or to yourselves. They will try to find out, if you have filed taxes, that will be a form of them to see. If you pay with a checkbook will be helpful, or any bank statements, anything that can tell them what was your payroll for that time. And so usually those are kind of pretty easy as well. They just want to make sure that you had paid what you needed to pay, or they need to return you money or charge you extra. So that's the reason of the audits. But if you have any questions, we'll be happy to help. We also have few accountants that we recommend, and we'll be happy to give you that information. So when your audit comes, you're ready and prepared. So I hope this was helpful, and just let me know if there's anything that I can do for you.